Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today's video, I'm going to show you my bikes and plans with them, and yeah, let's get to it. Behind me is my Giant XTC 29er. Bike I've had the longest. I've had this now for about 8 years, done me really well, still rides really nicely. Is a hardtail, and yeah, as you can see, it's running XT rear derailleur, SLX cassette, SLX crank. It's running a 3x10, and then it's got the Fox 32 series front fork on, which I am also going to be doing a video on servicing these, as these really do need a service. And yeah, running SLX shifters, just normal Shimano Dior hydraulic brakes, and I had to upgrade the seat post. With me being tall, I went for the Thompson Elite, as that was able to give me a lot more length, and then also like the fact that it bends back, because it just makes the frame a little bit longer. And yeah, so this is my hardtail. And then the bike behind me, you guys have seen in previous videos, the bike washing video, and then a couple of videos back when we went away. So this is my newest bike I've got, the dual suspension. It's the Merida 12800. This I ride the most at the moment. Really comfortable bike. It's running RockShox Revelation front fork, and then I've done tubeless conversion, running the Maxxis Crossmarks tires, then running RockShox rear shock, running the SRAM Descendant crank, with then it's got the press fit bottom bracket, and then at the moment I've got my Shimano Saints pedals on here, and then running GX rear derailleur with the SRAM Eagle Technology cassette, and I'm also running a Crossmarks tire at the back. Yeah, this bike I haven't done too much to. As I say, it is still a new bike. I do like the fact that it has got the dropper seat post, so going downhill and stuff, it can drop it down and be a bit more comfortable. And then it's running a Shimano hydraulic brakes, SRAM GX shifter for the rear. And then the one thing I have upgraded was I went for the Rapide control stick handlebars, and then I've also went with their stem, just to get a little bit more length, and then also like the wider handlebars. And then I've changed the grip to the easy silicone grips, which I find very comfortable. And yeah, so that's my dual suspension. And my plan with this is to kind of go all black and gold. As you can see, I've already done the front fork and done the mud flap. Ultimately, I'd love to upgrade to the XX1 gold group set, but yeah, that's still a little while away before I can afford to do that. Yeah, otherwise I'm happy with this bike. And then last but not least, behind me I've got a 26-inch frame, which my plan is to build up. I've had this frame now a couple of years, and I've always just wanted to build it up, so the time is coming. You can see this bike get built up. Just a basic Merida TFS 300, I think it is. But yeah, I'm going to do a full build on this. I've already acquired some of the stuff, and I'm going to consider it a budget build. I'm not going all out. So yeah, if you guys want to watch this bike get built and maybe keen on building your own bike, then stay tuned. Going to be spraying it here, sand it down, spray it, and then fit all the components I managed to get. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's just a little video, a short video of my bikes. If you guys got any questions, please leave them down in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.